Hello, and thank you very much for letting me join you by means of this video in order to welcome everyone to the Swiss Sustainability Week in Zurich and in the 12 participating cities across the country. I'm really excited about these events, and I want to give special thanks to the Climate Reality Campus Corps and special thanks to Climate Reality leader Marie-Claire Graff for her incredible work in conceiving of and hosting this event. Thank you so much. It's really inspiring for me to see young people around the world, and especially in Switzerland, standing up to solve the climate crisis and demand solutions from their political leaders all around the world. I'm actually more hopeful than ever that we are now finally beginning to be on the right track. But we do have to act faster, and we have to feel a greater sense of urgency. After all, Mother Nature has recently made this imperative all too clear. For our part, we continue every day to dump 110 million tons of global warming pollution into the thin shell of atmosphere surrounding our planet as if it was an open sewer. And all this heat-trapping pollution is creating global warming, and it's trapping as much heat as would be released by 400,000 Hiroshima-class atomic bombs exploding on the Earth every single day. It's a big planet, but that's a lot of energy, and the consequences of all that extra heat energy are now clear. Stronger storms, bigger downpours, more destructive floods and mudslides, deeper and longer droughts, crop failures, strengthening wildfires, tropical diseases spreading, the melting of ice and snow so apparent in Switzerland. And in coastal areas, the sea level is going up because of the melting ice, particularly the melting of Greenland and Antarctica, which is accelerating. Some of these consequences we're going to have to live with and deal with, but we can still avoid the worst of them, and we can solve the climate crisis. And here's the good news. Right now, we are in the early stages of a worldwide sustainability revolution, which has the magnitude of the Industrial Revolution and the speed of the digital revolution. It's based on much higher levels of efficiency, and more countries, cities, businesses are realizing and exploiting the opportunities that this sustainability revolution presents to all of us. We can solve the climate crisis, and Swiss Sustainability Week shows me and all of us that the next generation of leaders understands this challenge and understands the opportunities that are now available. It's really so important to see students speaking up, demanding that their universities and their local and national governments commit to 100% renewable electricity and do so as quickly as possible. So we can solve the climate crisis, but only if students like you are determined and will demand that their leaders embrace a sustainable future. I'm so proud of what you're doing. Thank you so much to everyone who is involved, and especially thanks to the work of the Climate Reality Leadership Corps for this exciting movement. It's going to have a big impact not only in Switzerland, but all around the world. Students are leading this sustainability revolution and are leading the effort to, at long last, begin solving the climate crisis. Always remember that the political will that we need to solve this crisis is itself a renewable resource. Thank you.